Hey all, I am Kanchan Sardana from RPIT campus Bastada, Karnal. Hope you all are doing well. So we are discussing about the herbal cosmetic products which are used for the hair. So first comes the henna. Henna consists of the dried leaves of the Lawsonia inermis belonging to family Lythraceae. So henna, as we well known, it is a medicinal herb which is used as a natural hair dye, and the powder prepared is from the dried leaves known as henna or the mehndi powder, and it is cultivated as garden plant throughout the India. And the flowers are the henna is the evergreen branch shrub or the small tree which is 2 to 6 meter in the height, and it is a native of North Africa and Southeast Asia, and it is cultivated as a ornamental plant. Then it is mainly cultivated in Haryana, Gujarat, and to lesser extent in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. The flowers of the henna are numerous, small and rose colored fragrance. Then chemical constituent: henna leaves contain the soluble matter lawson, and this quinone dissolved in the alkaline solution to give the intense red color. As it contains the quinones, so it gives red color when we treat it with the alkaline solution. Henna leaf also contain the flavonoids, coumarins and xanthones. So then what are the uses or cosmetic uses of the henna? So it is used in cosmetic preparation as a coloring and cosmetic ingredients. It is used as a hair color, nail color, and for the decoration purpose, and it is used for the beautifying of the palms and feet. Then the drug is widely used in the cosmetology for its dyeing property due to strong binding of the lotion to the hairs. Then it is used in the form of shampoo and hair lotion also. Henna is also used in Ayurvedic preparation for the treatment of skin element burns and wounds. Then it also balances the pH and oil production of the hair and scalp, as it contains it calm down the overzealous sebaceous glands by controlling the oil production. Then henna also promote the hair growth and curbs hair loss. It controls the scalp itchiness. It reduces the hair fall, and it prevents the hairs from the dandruff and make the hair thick and lustrous. And mainly it improves the scalp health by giving the cooling and antimicrobial activity on the scalp and remove the dandruff. Then it helps in the conditioning of hair also, where it hydrates we can add henna with amla and other hydrating ingredients like egg, which gives softening and conditioning effect to the hair. So these are the uses of the henna. So then these are the marketed preparations available in the market for coloring of the hair with the henna. Henna hair color, lustrous henna, henna natural, Patanjali mehndi products are available in the market also. So this is all about the henna, which is used as a hair coloring agent for the hairs and have special application for the hairs also. Thank you.